Hi.
Howdy. Hey, look, he's got heater hoses in. Those look nice. We're gonna make a little clampy
I'm
here.
finding you that fourth nut you need.
Get
You already have.
Like, I need any more.
You already have 3. I need to get you a 4th one.
All right, so we're getting the studs in.
That would actually be kind of cool in my world.
What, having 4 nuts?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Imagine having like 8 ball sacks.
Why are we even discussing this, girls? Anyway.
Yes, you're in my way. Move. I've got this boss that keeps telling me I need to work harder, so you can deal with him. I'm not gonna.
You want to raise, you gotta work hard.
You guys look like a married couple.
Leave my wife alone. Oh my God, Xander's helping me! Help! Help! Why is this on video? Our videos are completely inappropriate. We don't care. So, this guy's getting ready to put the carb on. We can finish that fuel hard line. Exhaust stuff should be here later today, so that means I can start mocking that up. Maybe tomorrow I want to get it back at least through to the X pipe, because then we need to have it there to figure out what offset we need for mufflers, and then we can give Ken some muffler options.
Well, does he have any idea as to what he wants to do for?
Hey, my
We
recommendation.
need to know offsets first before we do that.
Right,
Because
yeah,
then
but
I can go, these are what will fit. Please pick.
Boom tube. Boom tube.
I know you want NASCAR boom tubes.
Boom tube.
What are those?
Flat, wide. I used to have one on my other car. Freaking awesome. They make awesome sounds, but they're obnoxiously loud. I love it.
I don't quite think that's what Ken's looking for.
Boom tube.
No, but
I mean, I'm speculating.
that's
here.
what we're looking for.
Just straight dump out of the headers.
Just run it like this. Anyway, all right. So Scotty's getting this ready to put the carb on. Then the fuel line will get put on.
I like the air cleaner on the carb. It's different.
Yeah, but we need to do there's some discussion on what we need to do for paint and detail on that, which I have the notes of, which we've already discussed with Ken. So,
Oh,
Scotty-
it's not the tank solar.
No. There's a whole list. So yeah, heater hoses are in. Still working on trying to find engine bay wiring harness, which nobody seems to have. So, and this one's pretty thrashed, so we might end up just kind of constructing our own, I guess, because,
Well, we may have to. I mean,
you know, people can't make or sell you anything you need, so. All right, so that's going along, and we will check back in here a little later, boys and girls.